So welcome once again to Maths with Ish. Now we have these solved problems and we are asked to simplify this. Now listen, and there are many approaches to solving this, but sometimes it's very important you try to be creative when solving things like this. Okay, so and there is no method that is actually cast on stone to solve this problem. But as a student, you've got to be very creative because exam is all about timing and accuracy. Okay, now the best way we can do this to save both time and to get accuracy is, let's first of all recall our method, our rule for division. Remember that there is a formula that says a divided by root b, root a divided by root b is equal to root a over b. Can you remember this formula? I explained it in my last video. So now let's assume you are having root 10 divided by root 2. What will this give us? Based on this rule, this division rule, this will give us 10 over 2, and that is going to be what? Root 5. Now, I'm using this because this is the method we're going to use now to approach this. Now, what can you notice? You discover that if it is 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. But when we have root 10 divided by root 2, it also gives us what? Root 5. So which means that it follows the same pattern as this, but the only difference is that for radicals, the answer must always carry the radical sign. So just as 10 divided by 2 gives 5, root 10 divided by root 2 we also give root 5. Let's take note of that. This is a very important concept that you must understand for you to be able to solve this problem swiftly. So now let's solve this problem now. Okay, so now I also know, based on what I've just explained, that root 2 can divide root 50. Okay, so root 2 divides root 50, that will give me what? Root 25, based on my explanation. And then 21 can also divide root 2. So root 21 divide root 42 will give me root 2. Can you see that? So that I'm left with 2 root 25 times 3 at the numerator, and then 5 times 7 root 2 at the denominator. And we also know that root 25 is the same thing as 5. So this root 25 will cancel out 5, so that I am left with what? I'm left with 2 times 3, 6 over 7 root 2. Then we can now rationalize this, okay? Remember we did rationalization. That will be times this by root 2 times this by root 2. So this gives us is root 2 all over 14, right? Good. And that will give us 3 root 2 all over 7. So this is our answer. So can you see that it saves a lot of time using this method? Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you've gained value. Have a good day.